Hi guys, this is a quick update video for all the students who are writing their exam in the May 24 attempt. Now, if you are a student who had taken my classes, okay, my baby is playing besides me, so some sounds kindly ignore. Okay. Now, this video is regarding the additional chapters and amendments which are applicable for the May 24 attempt for all the students who have taken our classes for November 23 or the previous attempt. Okay. Now there are three additional chapters which are being covered by the ICI. One additional chapter is one chapter being accounts and record, the second chapter being TDS and TCS, and the third chapter is place of supply. Now these three chapters which are to be covered by all the students who are writing their exam from May 24 attempt onwards, these three chapters were not covered in November 23 or the previous attempt. So what I've gone ahead and done is, you will tell me, sir, we need the textbook, we need the question answers, MCQ, and the chart book as well. So all those things, what I've gone ahead and done is, for these three chapters primarily, I've gone ahead and collated in one place. Now, in the version 6, which is the updated material for May 24, accounts and records has been included, TDS, TCS, and place of supply has been included. So what I've done is, first, if you see accounts and records come, then there are question answers, and after that, you will be also able to see the MCQs. So this material, if you are a student who has taken our Google Drive class, in the Google Drive I'll be providing. If you have taken our mobile app classes, mobile app it will be provided, and also I'll go ahead and upload it in free resources, rameshsoni.com, free resources, CA Intermediate May 24 attempt. In that you will find this file as CA Inter GST total plus chart book, additional chapters to be covered for May 24. One file I'll upload over there, so you can download from there also. But I'll recommend that if you are a Google Drive student, in the Google Drive only it is provided. For mobile app student, in mobile app only it will be provided. Now here, and then the second chapter after accounts and record, TDS and TCS will start, and the last chapter will be place of supply. Now sir, where are the charts? If you go in this file, at the end, accounts and record ka chart has been provided, TDS का chart has been provided, TCS का chart has been provided, and place of supply का chart also has been provided. Now, one quick thing which I want to tell all of you is, when you are going ahead and studying, you will see over here section number 9.5 I have gone ahead and explained. Means when you are studying TCS, listen carefully, when you are studying TCS, this section number 9.5, which the ICI has gone ahead and now covered for the May 24 attempt, section number 9.5 I will be going ahead and providing to you guys in the amendment material. Listen to me carefully. Now, after this video, you will be seeing the first video will be regarding accounts and records chapter. The second video will be regarding TDS and TCS. In TCS ka chapter, when you are learning this TCS ka chart, ओ बेटू रुक जा रुक जा रुक जा रुक जा हाँ, this section number 9.5 में THAR services are there, which I'll be teaching you along with the amendment material. Along with the amendment material, 9.5 I'll be going ahead and covering. So you will, when I am teaching you 9.5 in TCS, you can ignore it. You will be learning it when I go ahead and provide you the amendment material. And the last chapter will be regarding place of supply. So all the three chapters I'll be going ahead and providing. After this, the amendments for the May 24 attempt will be provided. Now sir, when will you provide the amendments for the May 24 attempt? Actually, amendments I've already collated, but I'm just waiting for the ICI to go ahead and okay, 1 minute. Huh. So I'm just waiting for the ICI to provide the statutory update material. Once the ICI provide the statutory update material, the amendments for the CA Intermediate also will be provided to you guys. So as of now, you can complete your accounts and record, TDS, TCS, and place of supply. Amendments also will be provided very soon. Done. All the best, guys. Love you all. Take care. Bye. Ha ha ha.